Hi, I'm Jamie. I work here at CMC in the outlet, and today I'd like to show you the RST R14 suit. This is a race style suit, perfect for road bikes and track days. It's made from 1.3 to sort of 1.5 double stitched, triple stitched seams using the bonded twisted nylon technique. It has vented panels on the front and on the rear and on the arms. Keep you cool on longer rides. It has a medium-sized race hump and a neoprene race style collar. It has a pocket in the back for the optional back protector. There you go. And it has protection on the shoulders, elbows and knees. Knee sliders don't come with this particular model, but they are available from our outlet. Okay, thank you very much. Cheers. And today I'd like to show you the RST R14 race style suit.